Well, students, I promised you to we'll conduct a practical on density. So apparatus, let note the apparatus that we have a kitchen scale because I am in the kitchen, in my kitchen, and without the permission of my wife, and will not mess. I promise you, will not mess anything. There's a kitchen scale with me, a zero on the scale. You see that zero is on the scale, and a beaker of measure which is measuring 250 ml. Okay, it is measuring 250 ml. So initial reading. So initial volume of water. You should write the things whatsoever are initial initial volume of water is equal to 250 ml. Okay, and this is an irregular and unknown object, and I am going to weight it on. Okay, now the weight of the object, unknown and irregular, weight of unknown irregular object is equal to 495 grams. Now we have to find its mass. Okay, so mass is equal to W is equal to mg. Okay, we have to find mass is equal to W upon G, which is equal to 495 divided by, let me write it, 10. Okay, it is actually 4.9. It is actually 9.8. Okay, it is actually 9.8, and 9.8 is actual. Okay, so it is 9.8 meters per second square. It is 9.8 meters per second square. So the mass is equal to how many? 495 divided by 9.8. That is equal to 50.5. Okay. The mass of this body or irregular shape thing object is 50.5 grams. Okay, 50.5 grams. Now the now the volume of what was the density? Density was mass per unit volume, m upon v. So m is, we have already taken 50.5, and v. Now this is after avoiding parallax error, I have noted it down to, now this is exactly 250. Let me drop this weight very carefully in this beaker. Okay. Now after the it is stationary, the water is stationary, we'll take again the reading, and it becomes 310 ml. The volume 2, V2 is equal to 310 ml. The initial volume was 250, final volume is 310. So if we subtract the both, it will become 60. 50 and 10, 60. So the volume, the density will become, let me calculate it, that is equal to 0.841. The density is 0.841. Okay, now you see, and watched and conducted the practical with along with me. So this was the practical of density and how we conduct it, and you have seen it. So it's time to say you goodbye. Allah Hafiz.
And the units I forget to tell you is grams per cubic centimeter.